Alright, so let's go through the example 3. So for the last lesson, right, before we call it a day, we did the partial fraction. So when we do the partial fraction, we got 4 over 1 plus 2x minus 2 over 2 plus x plus 1 over 2 plus x bracket square, right? Okay, the next part is that they will ask us to evaluate the integral of this whole thing. So we just need to integrate the three things, which is here, first term, second term, and the third term. So remember, the first two term will be ln. Okay, so let's do the integration together. So the part B, hence part. So I integrate from 1 to 2, right? Okay, so this is 1, then this is 2. Okay, so let's do the first term. 1 plus 2x bracket dx minus 2 over 2 plus x, then this is 1, this is 2, right? Then put a dx, then next is integral 1 2, then here is 2 plus x bracket square dx. Okay, so you notice one thing is that the first two term must be the ln. Okay, so it's equal to, so first thing you must make sure that this thing is, here must be 2. So you just take out 2 here, then after that you put a 2 over 1 plus 2x then dx. Okay, next will be the second term, right? Okay, second term, the top part must be the differentiated form of the bottom part, meaning that this part must be 1. So you just put, okay, take out the 2. Then after that, 2, 1, then put a 1 over 2 plus x dx. Okay, last but not least, if you look at the last term will not be ln. When you integrate, it will not be a ln because there is the whole thing to the power of 2. So what you need to do is the normal integral, meaning that you must make it in terms of indices. So it's like that, right? 2 plus x bracket negative 2 dx. Then we do the normal integral. Okay, so let's do the first one first. So, okay, first one will be 2 ln 1 plus 2x bracket. The second term will be minus 2 ln 2 plus x. The last but not least will be, so when you do the integral, right, so plus, okay, so the power, you add 1, meaning negative 2 plus 1, right, is negative 1. Okay, next you divide by the new power, but don't forget to differentiate inside. When you differentiate inside, you should get positive 1. Okay, then after that we just manipulate a bit, then just sub in the number. So okay, I put a bracket first. 2 ln 1 plus 2x bracket minus 2 ln 2 plus x bracket, then last but not least will be minus, so it's minus, okay, I make it into the fraction form, 2 plus x bracket to the power of 1. So the whole thing, 1 here, 2 here. Okay, always use the top minus bottom. So you sub in 2 first, so it's 2 ln, okay, 1 plus 4, right, so it's 5. And minus 2 ln 2 plus 2, 4. And bracket minus 1 over 2 plus 2, 4. Then you put a minus sign, minus the bottom part, right? The bottom number, so 1, right? So it's 2 ln, okay, 1 plus 2, so it's 3. Next will be minus 2 ln 3. Then next thing will be minus 1 over 3. Okay, then you just need to manipulate. Okay, when you manipulate, you will see that, oh, this thing and this thing gone already. So what is left is here. So it's 2 ln 5 minus 2 ln 4. Okay, then next thing will be the negative 1/4 minus negative 1/3. So it's negative 1/4 plus 1/3, right? Negative 1/4 plus 1 over 3. So this will give you positive 1 over 12. So you can use calculator to calculate, or if they want the exact value, just give them as such. So that's it for your example.